Since we have been talking about splitting and joining clips, I thought I'd show you this one. It's very nice. If you point to the playhead in the zoomed in timeline and you right click, you will notice that you have the scissor over here. This is the split command. If you click on it, of course, it's gonna split everything under the playhead. I will undo. If you select a clip, right click and use the scissor again, here you are, it has split only the selected clip. Now, there are a couple of options that are very interesting here you can use. Let me come just over here. And if you right click, you can select all the clips from where the playhead is to the beginning of the timeline. And it is this option here. Notice it has selected all the clips where the playhead is to the beginning of the timeline, including the audio. Now, you could lock the audio and then move these clips. For example, just a dumb example to show you. Let's move them over here. So actually you did your selection, it has moved all the clips and we've done quite a mess. I will undo. Also, you have the option to right click and select everything from the playhead to the end of the timeline. Here you are. So our audio track is locked. We can click and drag and just drop them, for example, just here. Of course, it doesn't make sense in our editing, but from time to time you would want to use this kind of operation. So remember that the most practical is to right click and cut. Here you are.